Top 5 Best Left-Handed Acoustic Guitars. Number 5. Ibanez Performance Series PF15L. To start off our best left-handed acoustic guitars list, we have an Ibanez guitar. Just like the real PF15, this guitar is the alternate version for left-handed people. Everything is designed and proceeded in a nice way. The alternative version of PF15 comes with a full-sized body dreadnought without any significant difference on the design. The structure of the guitar, or without any cutting piece of it, the types of wood materials that are used to build this guitar are also known to be mainly applied for most of the regular guitars, or to be more specific, just like the original PF15, so this guitar's body is made from a solid top made out of Sitka spruce mixed with mahogany, which is also used for the back and the sides. The neck of the guitar is also made out of mahogany wood to balance the design of the guitar with the back and the sides. Above all, the complete body is finished with a glossy touch, and it comes only with the natural color of the wood, but a tad bit shinier. There is a fingerboard which is made out of rosewood which has 20 frets, the headstock shows the Ibanez logo, and the die-cast tuners are layered in chrome. If we talk about the sound of this guitar, we can't talk more or less than we can talk about the real PF15, so with short discussion and with short words, with this Ibanez, you can produce everything you could do with the PF15, but now with your left hand too. You can hear the tones produce a bright sound, and it renders the kind of feeling that the real PF15 was all praised about. So, after all, this guitar is one of the best left-handed guitars that can sit comfortably in your hands. If you are a left-handed person and would like to play with a left-handed guitar, I would definitely suggest you get your hands on this one as fast as you can. Coming in number 4. Fender CC-60SCE. This guitar is one of the best left-handed acoustic guitars you can get your hands on, no matter what skill level you're at. This guitar was produced to satisfy the demands of someone who is just starting out to learn this fabulous instrument, but nonetheless, an intermediate guitar performer can greatly benefit from this one too. Fender is a popular brand that makes appearances among the best acoustic guitars, and this is a model that makes effective use of electric components too. This acoustic electric guitar was constructed by one of the most beloved brand, Fender. It's constructed in the way just like the grand concert guitars are built. It has a rounded top and produces that kind of mid-range volume that grand concert guitars are so good at conveying. The way this guitar is made, it is of solid wood. This type of wood is mainly known in the acoustic world as one of the best wood materials that the guitar can wear. All solid wood acoustics are regarded as one of the best instruments you can get your hands on. Every single experienced player will tell you this, and the difference is greatly notable regarding the sound and the durability of the acoustic, which makes practical use of solid wood materials. This guitar is equipped with 20 frets on the neck. The Fender hardware is greatly praisable, and comes with Fishman electronics. It's a traditional dreadnought guitar. It comes with two types of designs, both black and white, covered with gloss for a shiny touch, and equipped with a rosewood bridge, a fingerboard made of rosewood, and a mahogany neck. If we talk about the sound of this guitar delivers the best beginner classical guitar quality you can get on this price range. So we came at the conclusion that the CC-60SCE will definitely please your hands, your ears, and also your listeners' ears will thank you. Guitar players who are fairly experienced, just like I, are giving this guitar great reviews. They rate it as one of the best guitars they can get their left hands on. So good luck if you get one, and try to play it with care. Coming in number 3. Yamaha L Series LL16. What recent buyers report. This guitar is the perfect example of solid Yamaha quality at an unbeatable price. All tones are well defined and rounded, with a touch of warmth. The highs sound clean and clear, without excessive brightness. It is perfect and can be played right out of the box. Why it stands out to us. Our favorite Yamaha left-handed guitar is the LL16, one of the few guitars that features an all-wood construction at an impressively low price range. It provides a great tone and maintains comfort and ease of play for a long time. If you are eager to try out a Yamaha model, this is where you should start. Who would use this most? This dreadnought acoustic electric guitar is the perfect instrument for your transition from entry-level to intermediate. It has a beautiful, eye-catching design, comes with a gig bag, and has a comfortable neck profile. The Yamaha LL16 is the perfect instrument to accompany you to your first live performances. Bottom line. Overall, Yamaha's best shot at making a functional, high-quality, and affordable left-handed guitar is a true success. They are well known for their expertise with beginner-friendly instruments, but this time they upped their game with the LL16. This is the perfect intermediate-level guitar. Pros. Comes with a hard gig bag. Great action right out of the box. Rich, warm, and well-rounded tones. Improved tone balance and open resonance. All solid rosewood back and sides and spruce top. Zero impact passive pickup ensures a stress-free performance. Cons. No built-in preamp. Frets are a bit higher than standard. Bridge pins are made of plastic, but they make no tonal difference. Coming in number 2. Jameson Thinline Acoustic. What recent buyers report. This full-scale, acoustic electric guitar is comfortable and easy to use if you have large hands. To some people, it might seem a bit heavy and bulky, but the volume projection makes up for this small flaw. It is extremely affordable and the workmanship is a real winner. Why it stands out to us. The Jameson Thinline Acoustic is our favorite in terms of affordability, craftsmanship, and versatility. With the maple neck, NATO back and sides, and rosewood fingerboard, this guitar is an artful instrument. What is more, it is a real bargain and includes freebies, a set of guitar picks and gig bag. Who will use this most? With clear, rich tones, this Jameson is a sure hit among both beginners and more experienced players. You will definitely enjoy the high trebles, solid presence of bass frequencies, and the mid-range punch. The slim, thin body makes it easy to play and comfortable, although the full size might deter players with small hands. Bottom line. The Jameson Blue Thinline is a great quality acoustic electric guitar that offers bountiful features. It is compact and easy to play, and is a sure option for beginners. However, it does score a bit on the heavy side, but still not enough to keep you away from this masterpiece. Pros. Full-sized guitar. High gloss finish gives it a stylish design. Steel strings ideal for powerful, vibrant tunes. Includes built-in EQ and great quality stock pickup. Affordably priced bundle with a guitar pick and gig bag. Cons. Quality control issues. Does not come with cable plug for amp. Might seem a bit bulky with a weight of 9.4 pounds. Coming in number 1. Fender CD-60S. One specialty feature that Fender likes to tout is the easy-to-play neck shape that has rolled fretboard edges. You might be able to see this as the picture if you look closely. If you have smaller hands, this could make it easier for you to play, especially those tough chords where you have to reach farther than usual. This Fender is another dreadnought-style body. Spruce is a popular material among these guitars and is featured on this model too. The back, sides, and neck are all mahogany here. Like the Ibanez, everything gets a gloss finish. There are the standard 20 frets along the rosewood fingerboard. The bridge is also made of rosewood. The nut, which is 1.69 inches wide, is made of cream plastic. The pickguard is solid black. The rep from Alamo does an excellent job of explaining the CD-60S. He even plays the mahogany and attempts to play the left-handed versions too.